Sometime, sometime, sometimes. Don't worry, the answer is simpler than you think. Sometime as one word means at some point, at some time in the past or the future, although you don't know exactly when. We'll take a vacation sometime in September, I don't know, at the beginning of September, in the middle of September, or at the end of September. I just know it's in September. So we'll take a vacation sometime in September. Oh, I have to talk to James sometime next week. This sometime can be replaced by someday or at some point. As an adjective, it can also mean former. For example, we say Donald Trump, the sometime president of the United States, tweeted last night. Now, sometime as two words refers to a span of time. In fact, it means a long time. We have known that the earth is round for some time. It means we have known this fact for a long time. Or we can say, it took me some time to finish the project. It took me a long time to finish the project. And sometimes with es at the end and as one word means occasionally. It means now and then, on some occasions, but not always. Life can be so hard sometimes. It means every now and then, from time to time, life can be hard for everybody. Hey, let's see each other sometimes. It means let's see each other occasionally, from time to time. So I repeat myself. Sometime as one word means at some point. Sometimes, two words, means for a long time. And sometimes with es at the end and one word means occasionally. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next lesson.